Hello guys, our group members are Ali, Hashim, Hamad and Ryan. We are going to present our design which is a pre-built houses. First of all, the problem that we are facing is the usual way of constructing a building involves a lot of transportation in terms of materials, which is costly, and instead of transporting materials, it will be better to transport building components. In some situation, we would arise where one may need to have a particular design of structure having a specific building materials constructed in a different country that cannot access that design or materials easily. Our solution is designing of pre-built building structures would be the ideal solution to this problem because the building components would be constructed in a factory where they will be stacked and transported easily and at a lower cost. Pre-building can allow the components to be shipped to various locations where they can be erected in accordance to the needed design. Before we do the construction in the factory and before they are shipped to a construction site for assembly, we only need foundation that can be shipped easily and much cheaper. The factor need to put in their mind important things, which is site of location, project type and size, site access, materials and labor, and the time and convenience. There are four stages for prefab building design, which are approval by the end user and regulatory authorities, assembly of model components in a controlled environment, transportation of models to a final destination, constructed classrooms, erection of models to form a finished building. Here's some reasons pre-built houses using shipping containers. The first one, construction model can be stacked and transported easily and they only need a foundation to be laid on. Second one, construction modular can be assembled to form various types of houses for different purposes as shown below. Building a foundation for a pre-built container house, and there are three types of foundation: traditional concrete block, crawl space and basement. The steps of pre-building houses are production of reinforced cages and main connections, assembly of mods. Reinforced cage is positioned in the partly assembled mold and the remaining section constructed. Pouring of the concrete mix into the assembled reinforced cage. This can be done using programmed batch mixer. This process ensures that optimum density required is obtained and the needed strength of the concrete is achieved. Storage of precast concrete and stacking of the high quality concrete. The components, which are the building blocks, are stacked and transported to site for erection. The construction molder are erected straight from the shipment. This leads to faster erection times with reduced on-site activity. The best benefits for these pre-built houses are: pre-built building structures are strong because of the proper procedure followed while constructing them. They only need a foundation to erect the building components which are manufactured at the factory. These components can be stacked and hence their transportation to site is easy.